Hello everyone, here I am going to solve 2018 CSAT question number 40 from question paper series A. Two persons A and B are running on a circular track. At the start, B is ahead of A and their position make an angle of 30 degree at the center of circle. When A reaches the point diametrically opposite to his starting point, he meets B. What is the ratio of speed of A and B if they are running with uniform speed? Both A and B are running in uniform speed. That means speed is not changing by time. Now let us see. Two people A and B, they are running around a circular track. At the start, B is ahead of A by an angular distance of 30 degree. When A reaches diametrically opposite to his starting point, that is here, he meets B. These are the given statements. Based on this, we have to find what is the ratio of speed of A to speed of B. We know speed equal to distance divided by time. So if we know distance traveled by A and B, then we can find the ratio of this speed of A and speed of B, because time taken by both A and B are same. So first we find the distance traveled by A. A travel from here to here through a arc path. So to find this arc distance or arc length, we know the formula angular distance in radian into radius. So what is the angular distance traveled by A? It is 180 degree. Around this point it is 360 degree and half of this circle it is give 180 degree. And into radius gives the arc distance. Similarly, here the angular distance traveled by B equal to 180 minus 30 degree, we get 150 degree. So 150 degree into radius, we get arc distance of this B. Now let us see. Here actually arc distance usually we take in radian, but here we have to find the ratio between two speeds. So even if we are taking in degree or radian, we get the same answer. Here it is given 30 degree, so we are taking speed of A also in degree. And now let us find. So the angular distance equal to 180 degree into the radius equal to r divided by time. Then speed of B equal to angular distance equal to 150 into radius equal to r divided by time. Then speed of A divided by speed of B equal to 180 into r divided by time whole divided by 150 into r divided by time. Time gone, this r are also gone. Then 180 divided by 150. We know 6 30s are 180. Similarly, 5 30s are 150. By simplifying, we get 6 by 5, which is equal to 6:5. Then ratio of speed of A and speed of B equal to 6:5. Our answer is option A, 6:5. If you have any suggestions, please do comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting and loving us. Jai Hind.